wiring is usually a painful prospect. Wiring across a highly regulated railroad is difficult and extremely cost prohibitive. How did Zach Brown from Pinnacle Fire in Kansas overcome needing to trigger fire annunciation relays across the Union Pacific Railroad in Neodesha, Kansas? It was necessary to submit the appropriate request and demonstration to use SureFi with fire to the authority having jurisdiction, the AHJ.
This is Zach with Pinnacle Fire. We're planning on having a fire alarm control panel in the main building and a separate fire alarm control panel in the fire pump building. The fire alarm control panel in the main building will have a dialer that is going to be connected to the central station for reporting, and we would like to put one of these SureFi relay bridges that's monitored by that main fire alarm panel and put another SureFi relay bridge in the fire pump building. We have our Unit B, again powered off of a battery. I changed the strobe only to a horn strobe, just so you can have the audible characteristics of it. So this is in the back stockroom of our office. Notice how the horn strobe is deactivated right now. Panel is not an alarm. Here's the other relay bridge A. It's again monitoring the alarm contacts. I'm going to pull that pull station and show you that it wirelessly activates the horn strobe in the back room. So I'm going to reset the alarm and demonstrate how the horn strobe deactivates. As you can see, the unit is no longer operational, and that's a test of the SureFi wireless bridge.
Once approved, SureFi saved this industrial manufacturing company tens of thousands of dollars by easily sending this signal across the railroad, making this fire system functional.